Happy lunchtime, everyone! Hi. Say hi, say hi! Hi, dear subscribers! Now, today we're eating our brunch. What you call it? Brunch. Breakfast and lunch. So, ito po yung ulam ni Zach. Palisyo sila ni Mami. Egg and luncheon meat. Yung egg sa kanya lang yan. Yung luncheon meat, hindi na pwede kainin yan. Since it's still a processed food, hindi pa pwede ang baby sa dyan. Sarap. Yum, yum. Oh, ay, umubo. Yan ang kalaban ko eh. Yan ang kalaban ko pagka kumakain ka eh. Nalabas mo yung kinakain mo eh. So, nilagyan ko ng ketchup yung kanin para may lasa. Yummy. Sarap ba? Sarap? Yum, yum. Yummy, yummy, yum. Yummy, yummy, yum. Diba? Yum, yum. Sarap egg. Yes. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Kita Tommy, kita Tommy. Kain pa guys. Kain pa guys. Yum, yum. Very good ang baby. Yummy, yummy, yum. Yummy, yummy, yum. Yum, 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 yum. I love you. I love you. Hello. Hello, baby Zach. Hello. Hello. Oh, ito. Dali, gamit ka phone. Hello. Saan mo? Hello. Dali. Hello, baby Zach. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hello. Who's this? Dali, sabi mo. Who's this? mm, 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 mm. Yummy, yummy, yum. Yummy, yummy, yum. Yummy, 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 yum. Oh. So, kasabay po namin sila ate at si kuya. Ayun po, oh. Busy, oh. Say hi! Hi, guys! Hello! Ate Jelay at ate kuya, or aka the Jay-Z. Jay-Z and Zach. Ay, ang laki ng mukha natin, ah. Yan. So, happy eating, guys. Happy lunch. Happy lunch. Bye. Bye. Mwah. Mwah. Ikaw nga, baby. Mwah. Ikaw nga. Mwah. Very good. Mwah. Ikaw nga. Mwah. Ikaw nga. Mwah. Mwah. Bye.